Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your password on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. Now, if you suspect maybe somebody else has your Facebook password or you just wanted to update it to something new, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to find that and change it. So let's hop into Facebook here and we'll tap on the three lines at the top right. Now we'll tap on the gear icon at the top right. And you can see now at the very top, we have the Meta Account Center, which is where you'll change that password. So let's hit this See More in Account Center, and then you can see Password and Security. So I can tap on that. Now before you change your password, I recommend checking to see which other accounts or devices are logged into your account. So you can see towards the bottom there where you're logged in. I recommend tapping on that and then tapping on Facebook. And you can look at this list of all of these different devices that have logged into your Facebook account. Now, if you're changing your password, maybe you suspect that somebody else is using your account. This is where you can check and see, and potentially you can hit this select all and then log out at the bottom. And that will log out all these other devices from using your account. So I recommend doing that first. Now let's go back and back again. Now at the very top, let's hit that change password and then let's choose Facebook. And the nice thing is that it tells when your current password was updated. So you can just tap on that. It should autofill your current password. Just use your Face ID to do that. And then once you get into the new password, you can always just have your phone suggest a new password. They're usually very hard to basically break into or hack. So I recommend using a really strong password. It says it has to be at least 6 characters and should include numbers, letters, and special characters to make sure that it is secure. So go through this process and basically you'll help to secure your Facebook account. If you suspect somebody else has your account, you might want to do the same thing for Instagram as well. So that's basically how you can change your password on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.